The blanket of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. It has different layers: troposphere, stratosphere, and so on. The outer troposphere, and most prominently a layer in stratosphere, is a layer known as ozone layer. This ozone layer is found in the outermost part of troposphere and most prominently in stratosphere. So this layer, which is found in the atmosphere, is known as ozone layer. Ozone layer is formed from oxygen. So when 3 molecules of oxygen, they combine to form 2 molecules of ozone. And this is a light bluish gas which is found in the upper layer of atmosphere. This ozone layer is very important for us. Why? Because it absorbs the ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. The ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun are very harmful. They cause cancer and may even lead to death. So ozone, it acts as a blanket. It absorbs the ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun, hence preventing those radiations from entering the earth, and therefore ozone is very important for our survival. But now studies have shown that it is wake up time. The ozone layer is getting depleted. The blue part that you see is where ozone is getting depleted. So you see that the hole is getting bigger and bigger. This is the ozone hole being formed. The depletion of ozone or the destruction of ozone is when the amount of ozone in the atmosphere is getting reduced. This is known as depletion or destruction of ozone layer, and it has led to the formation of ozone hole. The chemicals which are responsible for creating this ozone hole, that is the chemicals which deplete this ozone layer, are CFCs. These chlorofluorocarbons are the substances that we use as refrigerants or as blowing agents. These CFCs combine with ozone and hence lead to their destruction. Another source or another chemical which leads to the destruction of ozone is the fuel of planes. The fuel of planes contains oxides of nitrogen. Again, these oxides of nitrogen lead to the destruction of ozone, and hence they lead to the formation of ozone hole. So the ozone hole that we now see, it is getting bigger and bigger. It's high time we realize the importance of ozone. Ozone protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. So it's time we take necessary steps to prevent the destruction of ozone layer.